Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm super excited to show you guys how to make this garlic butter lemon pepper lobster tails. So juicy, so yummy. But before I begin, don't forget to thumbs up if this video was helpful and also subscribe if you're new here, and let's get started. Okay guys, to begin, I am going to be adding about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter into this small bowl here. Then I am going to pop it in the microwave to melt it before we add the seasoning in. Alright, now we're going to be adding the seasoning. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of dry parsley, half tablespoon of lemon pepper. Make sure you use a good name brand lemon pepper. And next we're going to use a grater to add in our fresh garlic. Now you can chop them if you want, you can smash them, do whatever you got to do to add the garlicky flavor into your lobster tails. Now that we have the seasonings into the melted butter, you are going to take a fork and give that a nice mix, just like so. All right, beautiful. Now we're going to separate the sauce because I'm using some of the sauce as a dipping sauce, and the remaining I am going to season the lobster with that. So now moving on to our lobster, I'm using 2 lobster tail. I am going to cut these part. I'm not sure what they called. So I'm going to cut them, and now I'm going to flip the lobster over. The front part of the lobster, I am going to use my 2 thumbs to press that down just to help the meat release better. Then I am going to flip it over and take my kitchen shears and cut it straight in the middle, and make sure your kitchen shears are nice and sharp. Now I'm going to cut it all the way at the end. Once I get there, I am going to take both of my 2 thumb fingers, whatever you want to call it, spread open the shell a little bit, and I like to take my fingers to go underneath the meat just to release the lobster flesh better. And now I am going to be carefully, slowly pull out the lobster meat upward, just like so. And if there's any vein or anything that's not supposed to be in there, you can go ahead and take them out. And I'm going to repeat this process again for you guys, and it's very self-explanatory, so I'm going to let you guys watch it. All right, now that I'm done with both of my lobster tail, I am going to give them a nice rinse before I start seasoning them. And if there's any shell that might be in there that you can't really see, that helps you, get rid of those as well. And now it's time for me to season. All right, now to season, I am going to take the marinade that I made earlier, and you are going to spread that all over your lobster meat. Look how beautiful. Okay, and don't forget the back as well, because I've seen a lot of people cook lobster and they don't really season the back, and I'm like, there's meat back there as well. Even though when you eat it, you can dip it in the sauce, but don't forget the back, guys. That's very important. All right, now that we're done, it's looking gorgeous, looking beautiful. We're going to pop it in the oven, okay? You're going to bake this on 400 for about 15 to 20 minutes. While that was in the oven, I went ahead and microwaved my sauce just to cook the garlic a little bit, and basically that is it. I am going to pour the garlic butter lemon pepper sauce all over it, and basically this is how easy it is to make yourself some garlic butter lemon pepper lobster tail. How beautiful is this? Thank you for watching today's video, guys. I appreciate every single one of you guys who take the time to watch this video. I really love the flavor of the lobster. It came out so flavorful and so good. I hope you try it for your family. And Valentine's Day is around the corner. Try it out for your boo, your hubby, whoever is special to your heart. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give it a like, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.